Unleash the power of adventure with the H20 Pro e-bike, designed for those who seek the thrill of exploration. Equipped with dual 2000W brushless motors, this e-bike accelerates to a top speed of 31 miles per hour in just 0 to 3 seconds, making every ride an exhilarating experience. Whether you're conquering steep inclines or cruising on flat terrain, the Shimano 7-speed gear system ensures smooth and precise shifting, giving you full control over your journey. Adventure knows no bounds with the H20 Pro's 48V 15AH long-range battery. With UL certification and a BMS system, you can travel up to 70 miles on a single charge with pedal assist. From city streets to rugged trails, the H20 Pro empowers you to explore without limits, wherever your curiosity takes you. Engineered for all terrains, the H20 Pro features puncture-resistant 20-inch by 4-inch FAD tires that provide exceptional grip on snow, sand, and rough mountain roads. Paired with dual hydraulic disc brakes, you get powerful, precise braking even in wet conditions, ensuring your safety and confidence on every ride. Ride with unmatched comfort and control, thanks to the H20 Pro's advanced suspension system. The high-strength lockable and adjustable front suspension, combined with a rear suspension fork, effectively absorbs shocks, delivering a smooth and stable ride. The Shimano 7-speed shifting system adds to this, providing reliable precision for any riding condition. Designed with convenience in mind, the H20 Pro features a sturdy frame crafted from high-quality 6061 aluminum alloy. Its collapsible upright tube allows for easy storage, making it perfect for urban living or road trips. The colorful multifunction LCD keeps you informed with real-time riding data, while the high-brightness front light and turn signal light ensure visibility and safety, day or night. Adventure is just around the corner with the H20 Pro e-bike. Pre-assembled at 90%, setup is quick and easy, so you can focus on what matters, exploring the world around you with confidence and style. Experience the freedom of exploration with the H20 Pro e-bike. Where will your next journey take you?